Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with OPPO Reno 8T. And to do this I'll be using a GoSund Smart Socket, which will tell us exact performance on my phone right here. Now let's connect everything: GoSund Smart Socket to the power source, then charging socket to GoSund, and then cable to the phone. Now it's connected and charging. We can move on to my phone, open GoSund app, click on Smart Socket and go for electric tap. Here in about 30 seconds we should see the exact statistics. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.